So there's my goal for today. I have to reach the top of Mount Douglas on Christmas Day. This is Douglas Creek and the Hikers Bridge. As I cross the bridge and heading towards Irvine. Up we go. This is where it gets into steeper and steeper territory. This is zone 2 hiking. Up, up, up we go. This is still Irvine Trail. More of Irvine going up. This is one of those lookout spots. I just popped out of the forest. So I'm nearing the summit now. Just about to pop out onto Church Hill Drive. This is very close to the top. Just a little bit further up this winding path. To the teacup. So this is the very top of on the leeward side of Mount Douglas now, out of the fierce wind and driving rain. This side is very much quieter. As we approach, or as I approach this saddle, just trying to keep my balance there. This is the running jackal once again, saying bye-bye to you all on Sunday, no, on Monday, the 25th of December.